So hi everyone, this side Amit Das and you are the most warm welcome to in our YouTube channel Success Academy. And in this videos, I'm going to discuss about the present indefinite sentence. Before going to studies about the present indefinite sentence, first we have to know about their identifications. Did you know? If you are preparing for any English language or if you are going to start with their like how to speak in English, means you have too much ideas about their grammatical rules, and if you did not know the rules of the grammaticals, then means you will make mistake while speaking and while writing. So first, before going to the studies about present indefinite, we have to know their identification. Do you know that what is the identifications of present indefinite? How will you recognize that it is the present indefinite sentence? I'll tell you. Means how you know that the present indefinite, that it is the present indefinite sentence. For example, like whatever work which is happening in present and it is not confirmed yet, means this is called the present indefinite sentence. For example, there is a rule, subject, then we use the first form of verb, then we use s or es, then we use object. This is the simple sentence rule. How you recognize that? For example, like I teach you, you watch the video, you get up early in the morning. This is three sentences is a present indefinite sentence. And how you know that it is a present indefinite? Means the work which is happening or which is not happened yet, that is called present indefinite sentence, right? For example, let's take an example, like he play cricket or he watch the movie, or example, I play a football. This is the simple sentence. Or if I talk about present indefinite negative sentence, there is a rule that subject do or does not plus first form of verb, then we use object. This is the negative sentence of present indefinite. How do you recognize? I do not complete my homework. This is the negative sentence of present indefinite. He does not buy vegetable. This is the negative sentence. Now you are getting confused right now that where we use do and does. So in these videos I'll tell you where we use the do and where we use the does. Do is used for I, we, you, they or plural noun. We use do with these subject. For example, I do not complete my homework. This is the negative sentence, and with the I using here do. Let's take an example. He does not go to school. Mean I use here he with does. Means I, we, you, they or any singular noun we use do, and he, she, it or any plural noun we use does. I hope you are getting this example. Let's take an example of interrogative sentence, that how you know that is the interrogative sentence. In the interrogative sentence we are learn and you have two ideas about it, how to ask the questions in English. So interrogative sentence will teach you that how to ask the questions in English. And when you know that it is an interrogative, means you have the idea, you have to idea that you have to give the answers in yes or no. Where you have to give the answer in yes or no means it is the interrogative sentence. For example, do you know him? Do comes earlier. Do you know him? It is the, if you know, then you will say the answer yes. If you don't know them, then how will you answer? No. Means, do you complete your homework? Does he complete your homework? Or you can say, do I stand here? This is the example of interrogative sentence. Let's take one more example. He does not make food. Father does not come from office. Mother do not complete the task. This is the example of present indefinite interrogative sentence. And how will you answer that? How will you that recognize that their identifications? So must rules, this is the ideas. Let's take an example of the WH family. Let's take an example of WH family. How do you know about the WH family? In the WH family, which is tell you about the long questions and answers. This sentence will teach you how to answer in the long sentence answer. For example, where do you live? Now how will you answer this question? Where do you live? You will answer, I live in railway colony, or you can say I live in Delhi. This is the way of the answer of this question. So I hope you understand this video. This is enough for today's video. Let's meet in the next video, and keep watching our videos, keep learning and keep growing up with the Success Academy. And so thank you so much.